Good morning students, class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. This time I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is tense and this is its part 11th. What is future perfect tense? Just I hope you all are ready with your notebook and pen to write down important points related to this kind of tense. Just care here, if we use verb to tell that the work will be finished in coming time, then that use of verb is known in future perfect tense. Just write down, when we use the third form V3 of a main verb after the helping verb shall or will plus have to tell that the work will be finished in coming time. It is known in future perfect tense as Sita will have done this. I shall have reached there. etc. Now for Hindi sentence, just care here, if there is a Hindi sentence before you, how you can decide its tense. For that you have to take care the ending sound of the Hindi sentence. As an English sentence is identified by taking care the use of helping verb and main verb to decide the tense. Like that, Hindi sentences are cared by taking care the ending sound of the sentence. Just care here for Hindi sentence. For Hindi sentence, the sentence that ends with Hindi sound आ होगा, ए होंगे, ई होगी, और चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होगे, चुका होऊंगा, etc. is known as future perfect tense. as सीता यह कर चुकी होगी, सीता इसे कर चुकी होगी, मैं वहाँ पहुँच चुका होऊंगा। etc. Now write down a structure. A structure for positive sentence. First of all, you have to write down here subject, and after subject shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object plus full stop. And I have explained you earlier also that to make negative note is used after a helping verb. Write down that also notes here once more to recall yourself. Note point first. We use note after shall or will and before have to make a sentence negative. Point second, to make interrogative sentence shall or will is used before the subject of the sentence, and question mark is used at the end. My dear students, I hope now by taking care of all these things you are able to write positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence in future perfect tense, and you will use it properly. I hope you will make it fair and Remember it well to use your verb perfectly to express your view at this situation. Thank you.